Hello everyone, today I am taking you on a journey to my hometown, Lambunaw. As the largest municipality in Iloilo, Lambunaw isn't just a place on a map. It's a vibrant tapestry of highland beauty, ancient traditions, and history that run as deep as the Ulian River. Over the next few minutes, we'll discover how a simple fishing rod and a native tree gave us our name, and how we became the cultural powerhouse we are today. Let's start with a mystery. How did we get our name? There are two stories the elders love to tell. The first takes us back to the 18th century. Legend says Spanish soldiers met a local fishing in lake using a lambo, a rod planted in the ground. When asked what he was doing, he described fishing in the linaw or lake. The Spaniards shortened lambo sa linaw to simply lambunaw. But there's a more botanical theory too. Many believe we were named after the Lambunaw tree, or Aglaya everetti. These trees once covered our mountains, bearing reddish edible fruits that sustained our ancestors. Whether it's from the lake or trees, the Lambunaw has always been rooted in our natural environment. Our formal history began in 1742, when Augustinian friars established the settlement. By 1753, we gained our independence as a parish, but the Lambunaw we see today was actually born in 1879. That was the year Father Jose Lobo decided to move the entire town center to this plateau 190 meters above sea level. He chose this spot because the air was wholesome and the soil was fertile. Finally, in 1912, the construction of the National Road linked us to the Iloilo and Capiz, forever securing our status as a major inland hub. A town is defined by its people. We honor leaders like Dato Tomo, an early native ruler, and Gobernador Silio Martin Lingayan, affectionately known as Tanville, who was devoted to our community that he donated the land where our church stands today. We also remember our rebels like Kapara, who led a mystical movement against colonial rule in the 17th century. And while he was born in Santa Barbara, we claim General Martin Teofilo Delgado as a spirit of our entire province. Today, that spirit of leadership continues through people like Rex Castigador, who preserve our indigenous traditions, and Roger Loma, a master of the traditional Saglupo Bolo. Now, let's look at Lambunaw today. We're the largest municipality in Iloilo, covering over 40,000 hectares of rugged, mountainous terrain. Because we sit so high above the sea level, our climate is cooler than the coastal towns. We are blessed with the Ulian and the Tacbacan rivers, which are the lifeblood of our farms. If you travel to the western highlands, you'll find Tinagong Dagat, a stunning mountain lake 2,000 feet up in the clouds. It truly feels like another world. Our mountains are a sanctuary for rare wildlife, like the Visayan spotted deer and the right-billed hornbill. But our most precious cultural treasure is the Panay Bukidnon community. In 7 of our highland barangays, like Tapanuran and Kabatangan, our indigenous brothers and sisters preserve ancient rituals, epic chanting, and the beautiful panobok embroidery. They remind us that our roots are just as important as our future. If you visit in December, you'll hear it. The rhythmic beat of the drums. This is the Binanog Festival. The Binanog dance is a courtship ritual that mimics the flight of the banong or hawk. Watch the dancers, the women move with grace like birds in flight, while the men stomp with speed and strength. It's more than just a dance, it's a heartbeat. It's a way for you to connect with the traditions of the Mandok people. Economically, Lambunaw is thriving. We are an agricultural powerhouse, producing rice, corn, and sugarcane. But we're also looking forward with a new 41-kilometer road connecting us to the Antique and our new green library and transport hubs. We are becoming a center for ecotourism and commerce. We are a town that respects its past while building a modern, sustainable future. Before we go, I have to invite you to see our 30 waterfalls, our historic San Nicolas de Tolentino Church, and the Mariette Conservation Park. the world's largest breeding center for endangered hornbills. Whether you're a hiker, a history buffer, or a foodie looking for traditional Lupu dishes, Lambuna was the place for you. Thank you for joining me on this tour of my home, Lambuna, where history stands tall and nature runs wild. Come and experience the Highland art of Iloilo.